So now we're doing the pull side hinge left. So inside the box we'll have 4 different templates to use. The one we want to use for this one is template number 4, hinge left, pull side. If you open it up, the top section is your template, and we have instructions down the bottom to follow. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to tear this section off, and then we'll go up to the door and we'll offer that up and drill our holes. So we hold up the template to the edge of the door, so it's about centre point of the hinge, and where that dashed line is, where it says top of the door, obviously, that's where you want to line it up with the top of the door. Like so. So when you're happy it's in position, you need to pilot drill 6 holes for the Freedor and 2 for the closer arm on top.